the second episode of 15-Minute Chef. And today we're gonna do cheesy chicken enchiladas. And you're probably thinking, if I'm doing chicken, how am I doing it in 15 minutes or less? First, we're gonna take off my jewelry. Most importantly, wash your hands. So the key to doing it in 15 minutes or less is by using cooked chicken. So what I do is at the supermarket, I pick up a rotisserie chicken. Let me slide some of my stuff over. Don't worry about writing down ingredients or anything like that because later on I'll post the entire recipe for you. So one of the things I do is I actually peel back like the skin. I'll try to take some of the fat off, and just the actual chicken I'm going to put into the bowl. I said last time that I was gonna play some music because it's kind of quiet. Maybe I can get my assistant cameraman to put us on some music. Maybe something a little theme oriented. As y'all know, the dog always wants to be in the show. So all we're gonna do is start shredding the chicken off of the rotisserie chicken, just the chicken, no skin. Stay away from the bones, obviously, and double check for bones. And you're just gonna put that in the bowl. I like to also, like after I get all the chicken off the bone, I like to come back and chop the chicken up so it's nice and evenly pieced out. I'm gonna turn my oven on, and I'm gonna crank the oven up to about 425. But remember, all your ingredients that you're putting in this recipe is already cooked. So really all you're doing is you're gonna just be melting the cheese and warming it up because we're not using any raw ingredients. Just so y'all know, this wasn't an original recipe of mine. I actually learned it from a friend. So she's watching this video. Just a little shout out to Donna Simmons, who actually taught me this recipe. So we're gonna put our chicken in, get most of it out. I think I just got a little bit left. If you're doing a big group of people, obviously you're gonna wanna get 2 rotisserie chickens. Also depends on the size of rotisserie chickens because if you shop at Costco, their rotisserie chicken is huge. If you shop at Rouse's, not as big. They're more like medium size. Thank you, assistant cameraman. Got a little Mexican music tonight to go with our enchiladas. So, I'm shredding up the chicken. Key ingredient, cream of chicken soup by Campbell's. I'm gonna put about half of that in there to 3/4. We're gonna put a whole bag of shredded cheese. Greasy hands, gotta wash them. So if you were watching last night, we did some yellow rice in a rice cooker. And we have some left over. But if you don't have any left over, I would always suggest, the first thing you do if you're using rice in a recipe, cook it first because it takes the longest to cook. I also have some green chilies here that I'm gonna add. Just get a nice little kick. These chilies aren't really spicy. On a spice meter, they're probably like a 1. But they do give it like a really nice flavor. They're like a step above a bell pepper. So I'm gonna put 2 pinches of that in here to mix up. And then sour cream. Can't go wrong when you put this stuff in anything. This is a 16 ounce, so I'm only gonna put about half of it in here. In the original recipe, it was a full 8 ounce portion of sour cream, but then I changed it because I also like cream cheese. So, we're gonna go half of the sour cream. We'll use the rest in a little bit. And the other half of cream cheese. Hopefully, oh, gotta wash that. Hopefully I'm doing good on time. Cameraman, can you check how much time I got on the clock? If you can sneak around and see it. So I'm melting the cream cheese. What do I got? 6 minutes? I got this one.
6 minutes.
We're also in front of a live studio audience too.
You got 9 minutes left.
9 minutes. Think I can do it? I think I can. Alright, so I also have small tortillas, flour tortillas, to wrap it up in. Pull my tortillas out. Add my cream cheese, because everything tastes better with cream cheese. And we're just going to mix it up. So we make a nice little mess here. Make sure everything's pretty well blended, mixed together. You can add seasoning. Sometimes I add taco seasoning to my mix. This is going to be the inside of your cheesy chicken enchiladas. You know I'm going to add my favorite seasoning that I always tell you guys about. Love this stuff. Enchilada sauce right out the can. Your other option is you can just add salsa in there too, but I kind of like red enchilada sauce. Where am I at on time?
You got 6 minutes left.
Oh, I'm still doing good. So we're gonna put that in. Grab a fork. We're gonna mix it up. Make like a nice smooth little sauce. We're gonna pour it right on top of the enchiladas. We'll take a nice spatula and kind of even it out. Don't worry if it doesn't cover it completely, because when this stuff starts to heat up, it's gonna spread. I also like the sour cream with the enchilada sauce because I think the straight enchilada sauce out of the can is kind of strong. So now we're on second bag of cheese, because cheese makes it better. And we're just gonna be nice and fun with that, and we're gonna pour the whole thing right over the top. All right. So we're almost done. We're gonna stick this in the oven. Put this on the side. Bones of the chicken. Goodbye. All right. So I told you we had some of that yellow rice left over from yesterday. Unless the cameraman ate it.
Oh, I did not.
There it is. We're gonna heat that up in the microwave. They also make an Uncle Ben's already cooked rice, Spanish style. Great. Pop it in the microwave, pop it right out. Goes great with the enchiladas. I put 2 cans of salsa up here. These are 2 great salsas. This little can of salsa, and these are both genuine, real salsa. They are great products. They're fairly inexpensive. This one was 79 cents. This one's like $1.29, but they're great salsas. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on top of the enchiladas once they come out of the oven. So the last thing I wanna do before my 15 minutes are up, wash my vegetables. Because on the side, we're gonna have a nice tomato avocado salad to go with our enchiladas and our yellow rice. When you're cutting a tomato, always make sure that you use a serrated knife. Makes cutting it a lot easier. And then of course pull out the big knife for the avocados. When you cut an avocado, you just want to roll it, cut it in half, twist it, and open it. You're going to take your knife, stick it hard in the seed, and then twist, and it comes right out. Don't ever try to take the seed off. All you want to do is just tap it against your sink, it'll come right out. Take your avocado, the halves cut in half, so now you have 4ths, and you can peel the skin right off. Where am I at, cameraman? 2 more minutes? I'm there. I'm in Lake Flynn. I'm almost done. So we got a little tomato avocado salad. We got our rice in the microwave. And we got our enchiladas in the oven. And we're there. And this is 15-Minute Chef. Remember to like the page, follow it. I have some more great recipes coming up. The next time you see me won't be till next week, and we'll be doing a little lemon chicken piccata with a little angel hair pasta. So stay tuned and watch a little more 15-Minute Chef. Hope you guys enjoyed it.